this session to be very, very interactive. So I want to know where you are watching from. Where are you watching from? Let me know where you're watching from. Okay? Let me know where you are watching from. So, all right. I want today's session to be interactive, so let's engage via the comment section. Where are you watching from? Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Sierra Leone, Kenya. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section. All right, I can see Bulam Singh from Nigeria. Welcome to today's session. All right, good to have you here. Good to have you here. So today we'll be talking about a very important subject matter, which I don't want any person to miss out from. All right, I can see Mukesh from India. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, I can see another person from Nigeria. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so today we are looking at a very important topic, because we started looking at it in our last two webinars where we started digging deep into digital assets. And like I said, digital assets are receiving a lot of attention right now, and traders are now developing so much interest in understanding digital assets. And of course, OctaFX thought it wise to also bring that knowledge to you, and that is why we've been talking about it. So you can always go back to our previous videos to watch what digital assets are, how to trade digital assets. So today we'll be exploring a topic called altcoins. All right, we'll be exploring altcoins, diversifying your crypto portfolio. Okay, now but before then, here is a promo offer that we have for you. It's an offer that helps you to double your deposit in order for you to trade with a larger fund. How do you take advantage of this? You go straight to your OctaFX trading platform and app. Then you go to your profile. You find the promo code section in the menu box. You enter the promo code and you press activate. You make a deposit and enjoy your double bonus. All right, and that is what this offer is all about. The code that you're going to use is asset 100, and that works very well. Okay, so today we are looking at exploring altcoins, diversifying your portfolio, and my name is Tunmise Olaoluwa. Now, here are some of the things we will look into in this session. Number one, we'll look into understanding what altcoins are. We'll look into why diversify your portfolio. We'll look into the benefits of alternative investment. We'll also look into consideration for altcoin investment. Then we'll look at strategies for altcoin investment. Then we'll look at how to identify and invest in profitable altcoins. So let's look at understanding altcoins. Understanding altcoins, you need to understand that the word altcoin is coined from alternative cryptocurrencies. Every cryptocurrency aside from Bitcoin is an altcoin. Every cryptocurrency aside from Bitcoin is an altcoin. That's why you see that all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin is called an alternative cryptocurrency. Now, alternative cryptocurrency is unique and is different from Bitcoin. Now, in what way is it different from Bitcoin? It's different in terms of its origin. Okay, it's different in terms of its purpose and focus. It's different on the terms of its features and the technology behind it. It's different on the terms of market perception and adoption. It's different on the terms of community development, value and price, network and the blockchain, and also the architecture of the protocol or the token. All right, and this is what distinct Bitcoin from the alternative coins. Let's take a further deep dive into looking into the examples of alternative coins. All right, Ethereum is an example of alternative coin. The symbol for Ethereum is called Ether. All right, and what is the unique feature of Ethereum? Smart contracts. Smart contracts are the unique features of Ethereum. Another alternative coin is Binance coin. The symbol of Binance coin is BNB. Now, what is your unique feature of BNB? Utility token for the Binance exchange. All right. Then, what other altcoins do we know? We have Ripple. The short form for Ripple, the symbol for Ripple is SRP, and SRP is unique for fast and low cost international payments. All right. And the another altcoin is Dogecoin. All right, Dogecoin, and the symbol is Doge. What is the unique feature? Community-driven cryptocurrency. Now we look at Uniswap. The symbol of Uniswap is Uni. All right. Now, what is the unique feature? It is a decentralized exchange and automated market maker. And there are many others. All right. Now, how do we categorize altcoins? How do we categorize alternative coins? Alternative coins can be categorized in several ways. Okay. Number one of which is it can be categorized into stable coins. Okay. It can be categorized into protocol tokens. It can be categorized into DeFi tokens. It can be categorized into privacy tokens. It can be categorized into, security tokens, gaming tokens, utility tokens, governance token, and much more. Now, why is it important for you as a trader, all right, picking up interest in cryptocurrency to understand why you should diversify your altcoin portfolio? Now, why should you diversify? Number one is risk management. Risk management has always been at the peak of diversification of assets. Why? Because putting your eggs in one basket might put you at risk. All right, but diversifying your portfolio of alternative coins, okay, puts you on a edge. All right, puts you on a edge. Now, hedging against inflation and economic uncertainty is also an important factor to look into. Hedging against inflation and what? Economic uncertainty. Okay, balancing potential rewards with risk. Balancing potential rewards with risk. Now, when you diversify your portfolio, it helps you to balance your potential reward. So which means because the market then fluctuates, okay, moves up, moves down, moves up, moves down. Now, by diversifying your portfolio, when one of your portfolio is going down, the other can be going up. By so doing, it creates a balance in your risk and reward. Another reason for you to diversify your portfolio is to mitigate, against single asset risk. Mitigate against single asset risk. All right. Another way is maximizing the potential for portfolio growth, so that you are able to maximize the potential and give your portfolio a breathing space. All right. So diversifying your portfolio, your altcoins now, is very, very important. Now, what are the other advantages of cryptocurrency portfolio diversification? Why should you diversify, and what are the advantages? Okay, we've looked at the why. Now we are looking at the advantage of portfolio diversification. Now, when you diversify your portfolio, it gives you access to other innovative projects. All right, well, you are able to look at other innovative projects and add them into your portfolio. Also, it gives you capital preservation, where you don't put all your eggs in one basket and end up losing all. You are able to put your eggs in different baskets and saving, one portfolio away from the risk of the other. You are also, one of the advantages is also expansion of opportunities for growth. You are able to expand your opportunity, for growth. Another option is reduced emotional decision making. Now, when you diversify your portfolio, one of the advantages it does for you is it will reduce your emotional decision making, because the moment maybe one of your portfolio is going down, and if that is the only portfolio you have, you might be spurred up to either take a wrong decision or try to be emotional about your next trade. But the moment you are able to diversify, all right, it helps you to hedge. Okay, it helps you to stay on the win, and that also is very, very important. All right, now managing liquidity risk, that's also an advantage. It helps you to manage your liquidity risk, okay, which means helps you to stay liquid when you have your assets in other various altcoins. Okay, it helps you to manage your liquidity risk. Another advantage you have when diversifying your portfolio is capitalizing on different risk profile. All right, some of these altcoins are more volatile than the other. Okay, so you are able to capitalize on different risk profile, okay, by preserving your capital from entire loss by putting them in different alternative coins. Now, risk management during market downturns. Market downturns is inevitable. There are moments where the market goes against one of your trades. All right, by diversifying your portfolio, it helps you to preserve and protect your portfolio, all right, from market downturns, okay, which can happen at any time. Now, benefits of altcoin investment. So before we go into this now, let's look at how alternative coins are being traded. So let's look at Ethereum. So we said Ethereum is ETH, right? Let's look at Ethereum USD. So currently, this is the daily time frame of Ethereum. Okay, this is the daily time frame of the Ethereum market. Okay, this is the monthly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, so this time frame or this chart now helps you to understand price movement of Ethereum. Okay, you can use price action, you can use the fundamental analysis on this. Okay, so here is it. So this is the price action, the price chart of the Ethereum coins. Is an altcoin as well. Okay, as we go further, we'll come back to look at other altcoins. So now let's look at the benefits of alternative investment. Okay, now for those who have been following us, I want to know what your thoughts are on what an alternative, on what altcoin is. So let me know in the comment section, what do you understand by altcoins? What do you understand by altcoins? Use this comment section to communicate with me. What do you understand by alternative coins? Okay, now the benefits of altcoin investment. What are the benefits of altcoin investment? These are what we'll be considering next. Number one of the benefits is potential for higher returns. It is important to know that the alternative investment market has the potential for higher returns. Okay? It poses, as I said, that is highly volatile, so it can give you a very high return. Okay. Also, the benefit of altcoin investment is diversification of your portfolio, because it's alternative coin. So you are not focusing on just on just Bitcoin alone. Now you are focusing on trading other currency pairs. Okay. Then also, we look at portfolio customization. All right, so by investing in altcoin, you're able to customize your portfolio with assets from different altcoins. Okay, then exposure to specialized sectors. The moment you start going into alternative investment, then you will start wanting to learn about each of the ecosystems running these currencies. All right, you want to look into the Ethereum ecosystem, you want to look into the Binance ecosystem, you want to look into the Polygon ecosystem, in order for you to understand, okay, in order for you to learn the specific sector, because the Polygon ecosystem can be operating very different from the Ethereum ecosystem, and the Ethereum ecosystem can be operating very different from the Cosmos ecosystem, and that is very possible. So one of the ways in order for you to gain exposure into this specialized sector is to diversify your portfolio, because of course when you diversify your portfolio, you will pick up interest in that area. Okay, good. Also, we look at early adoption advantage. Early adoption advantage. Now, when you are early to the game, okay, it's more or less like a market is about to go up and you buy from the deep of the market, and the market goes up, and anybody who buys after you've bought, maybe some moves after you've bought, and yet the market still going up, they won't have made as much as you who have come in at the base, or who have come in at the early stage of the market. All right, so early adoption, okay, is also an advantage. Early adoption advantage. Okay, we also have lower entry barriers. Now, the best way to get involved with alternative investment, one of the benefits is lower entry barriers, because not so many persons are quite involved now. So getting in early puts you on an edge, okay, as you keep gaining exposure into specialized sectors, as you keep growing your portfolio, diversifying them, gaining higher returns. Okay, one of the other benefits also the trading and the arbitrage opportunity. So the trading and arbitrage opportunity is one via which you can explore on the OctaFX platform. We have a section, we have sections for every asset class. Synthetic, we have for exotic pairs in Forex, we have for stocks, we have for metals, okay, we have for cryptocurrency. And if you go to that section of cryptocurrency, we have more than 7 cryptocurrencies via which you can play around with: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, BNB, a lot more of them via which you can look into. All right. So these are opportunities for you and benefits of altcoin investment. Now, what the last benefit for altcoin investment is exploration of new investment opportunities. Exploration of new investment opportunities. So it's very important that you explore new investment opportunities. Okay, you explore new investment opportunities. This is very, very important. Okay, good. Now, exploring promising cryptocurrency beyond their big names. All right. So beyond the big names of this cryptocurrency, you also need to understand, which of this cryptocurrency is promising. Okay, you need to know which of these cryptocurrency is promising, which of these would yield profit or would yield positive result or would add value to my portfolio. Now, in looking out for these cryptocurrencies, you need to carry out some personal research. Okay, now what of those personal research is looking at the thing behind the project, the thing behind the cryptocurrency, and then their development procedure. All right. So you also need to look at the use case and market potentials. Then you want to understand, what is this cryptocurrency used for? All right. What is the value add of this cryptocurrency in the market? All right. What is the market potential of this cryptocurrency? Are people using it? Is it in vogue? Okay. Does it have an active community-driven engagement around it? These are the things you should look out for. Then you look at the tokenomics and the economics. Now you try to understand the demand and the supply gameplay within the ecosystem. Numbers of tokens, all right, that will be released. Okay. Now, how many number of tokens are being released into the ecosystem? And then how many number of these tokens, of these coins, will be released gradually? Okay, and how will they be creating scarcity that will drive up price? Because when you are trading cryptocurrency, it's more like you are trading commodity. Okay, now when there is too much supply, it's not like money as well. When there is too much supply of money in the market, okay, when there is too much supply of money that everywhere you go you see money, what do you think would happen? The money would lose its value. Okay, so you want to measure the cryptocurrencies. How many of these cryptocurrencies are in circulation? How many of the cryptocurrencies are being locked? All right. If the number of cryptocurrencies in circulation would create too much supply, all right, that would impact the price, because price would fall, price would drop. But so as price not to drop, okay, you look at the numbers of cryptocurrencies that are going out and the numbers of cryptocurrencies that are being locked. This would help you to determine the future prospect or the price level that the market might go next. Okay. Now, market performance and trading volume. Market performance and trading volume. Now, one thing that you need to watch out for is what has been the market performance of this cryptocurrency and what has been the trading volume. Okay, how much money is coming in and out of the market? Okay, so how much, what is the volume, okay, of buyers and sellers in dollar terms in the market? All right, this would help you to know how active the market is. All right, so you don't get to buy into an illiquid, cryptocurrency. Then you also want to look at security and auditing. Security and auditing are very important factors. All right, why are they very important factors? Because definitely this is a technology. Cryptocurrency is a technology, and it is subject to some of the risk of technology like hacking. All right, so you want to know if this platform has something in place for security, and also if their smart contracts and their codes have been audited. All right, having their platform audited by a reputable audit crypto audit firm is a very, very good one. Okay, also risk to reward ratio. Now you also want to look at it. What is the risk to reward ratio of buying into this token? Okay, there are tokens that their risk to reward is say 80 to 20. They are 80% risky and 20% reward, and there are some that are 20 to to 80, which means their risk is 20 and their reward is 80. All right, this is very, very important for you as a trader to take note of. Then we also look at roadmap and future plan. There's what we call roadmap and future plan. You get to see that in the white paper of every of the cryptocurrency project. So you go to their platform, check out their white paper, you read through their white paper. What are their future plans? Do they have room for potential growth? Do they have room for expansion? Do they have room for creating additional utility and use cases? So these are the things you would see in the project's roadmap. All right, and also the regulatory compliance must also be intact. Now, consideration for alternative coin investment. What are the things you should consider before investing in alternative coins? Number one, before investing in alternative coins, you should look at understanding the project. Okay, what is the Binance coin all about? What is Ripple all about? Okay, what does Ripple stands for? Then consider your portfolio goals. What are your portfolio goals? What do you want to achieve? Okay, also market volatility, put that into consideration. Okay, exposure to risk. What are your level of exposure to risk? Put that into consideration as well. Security measures of assets. Like I said earlier, consider the security of that asset. Consider the team. Consider the community around it. Okay, it must have a active community involving in the ecosystem. Then you also want to read through their roadmap and understand the technology behind the altcoin. So, as a potential investor into the alternative coins, okay, there are potentials for higher ROI and growth. There are potential for diversification of opportunity. There are potential, to assess specialized sectors and industry. There are potentials, for early rewards and gains. There are potentials like, early access and engagement. So these are things that would put you, on the winning side. Now, what are the strategies of altcoin investment? All right, altcoin trading. What are the strategies? There are different strategies for investing in altcoins, but I would share the ones that are here. Number one, if there is a buy and hold strategy. Buy and hold strategy says you just decide to buy a number or a unit of a particular altcoin and keep it for as long as you want to. All right, you can keep it for 1 year, you can keep it for 2 years, hoping that when you are buying into a token that you feel would give you potential reward. So you buy and you hold. That's a strategy for what altcoin investment. There is now what we call swing trading. Okay, That is buying and selling within a period of time, like 1 week, 1 month, and the likes. That's swing trading. Okay. Now we also know, we also talk about arbitrage investing, arbitrage trading. Okay, which means you are trading the altcoin at a different price. All right, taking advantage of the price differences, in the token. All right, say you are buying a particular token at $100 and you are selling it on another platform at 105. All right, that $5 is the difference and the profit that goes to you. Okay, so there are different ways in which you can dig deep into it. We have the algorithmic trading, where you can use say an artificial intelligence system or a bot to trade. We also have social trading. You can leverage on the OctaFX copy trading, or these are options and strategies to invest in alternative investment. So you can look into every other opportunities within this space. Now, how to identify and invest in profitable altcoins? Now, how do you identify and invest in profitable altcoins? Number one, you check through market valuations. Okay. Number two, you evaluate the projects and the team. Okay, you want to know the team involved. What is their vision? Like I said earlier, you analyze and read. You read and analyze the white paper. Okay. Then next says you assess the market fit. Market fit of the cryptocurrency. Does the solution that does the use case of this cryptocurrency fits into the market? Does it solve a problem? All right. Because only then can it be sustainable. All right. Now, investing in profitable altcoin, select your preferred crypto trading platform like OctaFX. We have different cryptocurrency on there. Okay, then choose what cryptocurrency to invest in. Okay, decide how much you want to invest, manage your investment, and know when to trade. Okay, so now let me do a quick analysis on an altcoin. So let's say BNB, that's Binance Coin. Okay, so here we can see that the market came here. So we mark out those levels of support and resistance. Map out the levels of support and resistance. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. All right, let's look at the weekly time frame. Okay, so looking at the weekly time frame, if you see, what can you see on the weekly time frame? Here we have this is what I can see on the weekly time frame. Okay, now when we go to the daily time frame, what can we see? Here we can see that price came here to this support level and finally broke out of this support level, came here, rallied a bit, broke out of this support level, and has been ranging within this price level, for the last few months now, since June, has been ranging here, ranging here. So something interesting is about to happen. So there are two things that we might expect: a breakout from here, okay, or a breakout from here. All right, so either of these two is what would most likely happen, but we cannot determine that now except the market choose the direction it's going towards. If it's going towards this direction, then this might just be a buy. If it's going towards this direction and comes to close here, this might just be a sell. So these are ways to also technically analyze, the altcoin. All right, so because even having looked at their fundamentals, having looked at the team behind it, having looked at the technology, having looked at the technology, having looked at the team, having looked at the roadmap, the white paper, you also need to analyze, technically, to see where the direction of the market is. So currently here, taking a trade now is not what I would advise. So you look at this place now, the price is still ranging here. So the price needs to come out to decide which direction it's going so that we can jump in on that direction. Let's look at XRP. Awesome. So look at XRP, for the last past, let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so we can see that SRP has been trading here. SRP has been trading below 0.5 6 since 2022, May 2022, and we can see how price has been rallying towards this upside, because SRP was having a legal issue with the SEC on if it was a security or not, and the news came out on the 10th of July that SRP is not a security, and that was positive for SRP, which is an altcoin. And what did we see happen here? The market jumped up. So those who have been buying XRP at this level, all right, from here to here now, that's like they have over they've made big returns, all right, on this single move. All right, so that's what we are talking about. So you have to technically also look at technical analysis into the market. All right, so currently let me go to the daily time frame. Okay, good. So currently we can see that the market has broken out of this level, came back to retest. All right, came back to retest here, and now making other decisions. Okay, so here we can expect another move in the market, because for this altcoin now, there is so much of positive news on this altcoin. All right, let's look at another altcoin, Atom. Okay, so here we can analyze it. So you can see market broke out of this level, then this is another level to watch. Okay, so breaking out of this level, now that this market has come so close to this level now, all right, you might expect a further fall in price here. Might expect to see a further fall in price. Okay, you can see it's clearly some descending triangle here. See, yeah, okay, you can see, okay, you can see this here. So yeah, there will most likely be a continuous fall in price here. All right, so when you've done your fundamental analysis, you now come back to do technical analysis to see what next price movement is talking about. So this is important, for you as a trader to equally use the fundamental and complement with the technical to take a better decision. Now it's time for questions and answers. The floor is open for question and answer if you have any. Any question? I'm waiting to see your question. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask your question now. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, so in the absence of no question, here is another reminder, for you that you have this opportunity to double your deposit using this promo code, and the promo code is asset 100. Now, how do you use this promo code? To take advantage of this promo code, you open your OctaFX trading app, you visit the platform. Also, you log into your profile, you find the promo code section. When you do that, you enter the promo code asset 100 and you click on activate. Once you do that, you make a deposit and then you enjoy your bonus. All right, so this is an opportunity for you to deposit to double your deposit. If you are depositing $1,000, you get $2,000. If you're depositing $5,000, you get $10,000. That is what this opportunity is all about. Don't sleep on this. All right, thank you very much, Emmanuel. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining this section. We look forward to seeing you consistently on our platform as you keep learning with OctaFX. Thank you for joining us and keep learning.